Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is it cheaper to fix a TV or buy a new one? In most cases, it's best to purchase another one. With technology changing rapidly and the costs of repairing a flat-screen TV likely costing you close to or more than the price of a new one, it's a no-brainer. Even just replacing the power supply, one of the common issues, runs an average of $275 at a repair shop. How much does it cost to fix a black screen on a TV? According to HomeGuide, repairing the screen alone could cost $200 to $400. You may also have a damaged inverter, backlight or power board. That will increase the repair price. If you own a 4K TV, your TV screen repair cost could be as much as $1,000. Can smart TVs be repaired? Yes, you can usually fix a flat-screen TV. Whether you have a plasma, LED, OLED, HDR, HD or even LCD, TV repair pros can repair your TV. Flat-screen TVs are expensive, and when they stop working it can make your heart stop. For the most common problems, TV repair pricing might range between $175 and $200 on average. How do I claim warranty on a broken TV screen? For most TVs, you can get in touch with the retailer to claim your TV warranty. If your TV manufacturer's warranty is still valid, you can contact the manufacturer. To get the contact information, check your warranty or the website of the retailer or the manufacturer.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.